my channel, and today's video is going to be an amazing video for your skin. As Diwali is round the corner, we would all love to look our best irrespective of religion. We can obviously look good with makeup also, but makeup on a healthy skin is icing on the cake, isn't it? So my super babies, we have to remember that what we eat and drink ultimately shows on our skin. That is the most important, guys. Whatever we apply externally is just for maintenance, but the ultimate glow is from what you eat and drink. So eat right. As I follow blood group diet, I would like you to just take a look at it because it's really nice. The link somewhere in the description box or somewhere on the screen. Just go and watch that. That is an amazing diet which I've been following from 2 years, and it's like awesome. So the ingredients which I'm going to be talking about today is very easily available in our kitchen. So pull up your socks and let's start faithfully. All the ingredients are very easy to apply, hassle-free and cheap, in short, budget-friendly. I am sure you're going to get super results without paying a bomb on branded masks and creams and lotions and like so on. But my super babies, you have to remember that you have to follow these remedies religiously, like on daily basis, to see like super results. You just can't see results overnight, or you might even, you never know. But just remember, if you follow it religiously, it's really good. So let's begin. First is lime juice, that is even called as Nimbu juice. Now lime juice has natural bleaching properties which indirectly lightens your tan, pigmentation, acne scars, blemishes, any discoloration. It's going to just lighten it. It even tightens your skin, thus preventing upcoming wrinkles and sagging skin. It works as a very good astringent which helps in treating your open pores, thus keeping your skin super healthy. You will see immediate results without doubt. As soon as you wash your face, you will see this instant brightness which is like wow, as if you have done a facial or something at the salon. It gives an amazing natural glow. All you have to do is just cut a lime and just go through your face very gently, like super nicely. Wherever you feel it's pigmented and discolored and whatever issues you have, just go very gently with it. Next is tomato juice, which is also called as tomato juice. It has loads of benefits for our skin. It is super excellent for oily skin. It helps in reducing excess oil on the face, thus preventing acne. It works as an amazing natural toner which helps in treating open pores, rashes, any allergies on the face like after waxing and threading. If you just spray on it, I mean, it's amazing. It works really well, even has an astringent which really helps the skin. It has anti-fungi properties which heals and treats damaged skin. So it helps in treating sunburn, tan, pigmentation, blemishes, acne scars, any discoloration. Is just so it heals the skin. Same as the lime juice, it even tightens the skin, thus preventing upcoming wrinkles and sagging skin. Overall, it just rejuvenates your skin, like seriously. And just go through your face very gently, like super nicely. Wherever you feel it's pigmented and discolored and whatever issues you have, just go very gently with it. Next is potato juice, which is also called as batata juice. It is rich in vitamin C which really nourishes your skin. It has natural bleaching properties which really lightens the tan, the discoloration, pigmentation, acne scars, blemishes, especially dark circles. Like it seriously works wonders on the skin, like really seriously. I have remedies on potato juice and all these ingredients with like a pack as such. I'll put that in the description box. You can even follow that. For the eyes, you can even slice a piece of potato and just keep it on your eyes and relax and just go through your face very gently, like super nicely. Wherever you feel it's pigmented and discolored and whatever issues you have, just go very gently with it. So my super babies, you have to follow these remedies like religiously, and I'm telling you, you won't regret watching this video and you can like thank me later. Now how you can apply these ingredients is, now the first way is, if you have 30 minutes in a day for your skin, you can apply the lime juice first and keep it for 10 minutes and wash it off. You can apply then the tomato juice, keep it for 10 minutes and wash it off, and then you can apply the potato juice, wash it off after 10 minutes. This is one way you can do it. The second way you can apply is, first you apply the lime juice, keep it for 10 minutes, and on top of that you can apply the tomato juice for 10 minutes, and top of that you can apply the potato juice and keep it for 10 minutes, and then you can wash it off. The third way is, if you don't have much of time in hand, you can apply today lime juice, then tomorrow you can apply tomato juice, and then third day you can apply the potato juice, and you can keep it for 15 minutes, like today 15 minutes, tomorrow 15 minutes, third 15 minutes, like that. The fourth way you can apply is in the morning you can apply lime juice, keep it for 15 minutes and wash it off. Then in the afternoon you can apply the tomato juice, keep it for 15 minutes and wash it off. Then goes again in the night, potato juice, keep it for 15 minutes and wash it off. As for me, I would prefer the first or second method. It really works superbly. If any of your special occasion is coming up, do follow this regime, guys. It's superb, like seriously, trust me. So would-be brides, I would suggest you not to do any chemical treatments prior to your wedding, because there can be many side effects and allergies, and so much effects can take place which is not really safe. So go the natural way, which is really nice, and these 3 ingredients really does wonders on the skin. So follow this like a month prior to your wedding and you're not going to regret. Now all my remedies can be applied on guys too. It's not prohibited for guys. Any gender can follow my remedies. And remember, this baby's makeup looks beautiful on healthy skin, and for that you have to eat right, you have to drink right, and follow supernatural remedies. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please hit a like. It really helps me. And please share this video. You never know who might need these remedies, a beautiful bride or a handsome man. You never know, so do share this video. And if any queries you have, please comment below and ask me. I will surely get back to you. And do check out my description box. All my social media links are there. You can contact me there too. And yes, and see you later in some other video. Bye bye.